This episode is titled 400 Reacts to LowLevelNoob's Snore gets replaced with Numberblock 79's Snore. This video has been requested by Tony White Mo. Enjoy the video.
Hi there, I'm 400. Here we have the moment of the truth. We're going to react to, that legend LowLevelNoob's Snore gets replaced with Numberblock 79's Snore. You guys should know him because most people watched it when they were born in the 2010s. Unfortunately, he died from COVID. Anyways, let's watch this legend. Why on earth is his snoring intensified compared to the one that's soft and funny? He sound more shittier than I thought. Thank goodness this puss ended. Stay tuned for episode 998.